So hello guys, welcome back to Keys. Saying new statistics reveal who owns crypto in the US. So live on CoinMarketCap's blog, articles done by Leon Jacobson. So we're going to be doing an article review. At the end of this tutorial, if you find it helpful, informative, you can always want to like this video. Click on the like button, you can share this video, drop your comments and feedbacks. And also you want to click on the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that it gets notified whenever we drop quick updates on crypto news and other happenings in the crypto world. So, table of content we have going mainstream, still young and male. So, crypto may be overwhelmingly young and male, but is no longer overwhelmingly white. So, it is, however, mainstream. 86% of American adults say they have heard at least a little about crypto. So, that's according to a new report from the highly regarded Pew Research Center, which surveyed more than 10,000 US adults in September for its ongoing American Trends Panel search. So in November 11 report, Pew noted that in the US, white adults were substantially less likely than Asian, Black, or Hispanic panelists to have invested in, traded, or used cryptocurrencies, with just 13% buying or using cryptocurrencies. Asian Americans were the top crypto demographic with 23%, followed by Hispanics at 21% and Black investors at 18%. So that contrasts starkly with yet old survey of 3,000 investors and crypto curious consumers by the cryptocurrency exchange Gemini, so led by Tether and Cameron Winklevoss. So in its 2021 State of US Crypto Report conducted in October and November 2020, Gemini found that 71% of then current crypto owners were white, compared with 10% Asian, 13% Hispanic, and 9% Black. So, guys, we have CoinMarketCap podcast here available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts. So, you want to check out this podcast if you're an enthusiast or a fan of podcasts. Lots of crypto interviews and updates and other perks you can listen to. So, going mainstream, we have overall the survey shows that crypto has fully penetrated the mainstream. So, of the 86% of all American adults who know something about crypto, 24% saying they know a lot about it, and 16% say they have invested in, traded, or used the cryptocurrency. Notably, Gemini's survey found that 14% of its 2020 respondents owned cryptocurrencies, matching Pew's 2021 results fairly closely. So Pew also found that interest in crypto seems to have spread equally across all income levels, with 17% of middle and upper income panelists investing in trading or using cryptocurrencies. So for lower income respondents, that was 15%. So these findings emerge as government leaders and others debate the regulation of cryptocurrency. The report said that financial regulators have worried about policing cryptocurrencies and had raised concerns about long-term viability of such cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. So still young and male, said men were still substantially more likely to have invested in, traded, or used cryptocurrency than women, Pew found. So overall, 22% of men were crypto users compared with 10% of women. The younger adults far outnumbered older Americans, 31% of 18 to 29-year-olds and 21% of 30 to 49-year-olds are involved in crypto, compared with just 8% of 50 to 65 years old and 3% of over 50 to 65 years old. So guys, that's all we have on CoinMarketCap's blog today. If you find these updates helpful, informative, you can always want to stick tuned. Feel free to subscribe. See you in our future uploads, guys, and stay safe.